you host workshops/seminars specifically tailored to teaching chiropractors and doctors how to do these payments and stuff. And I was surprised when I was talking with Angie. She had mentioned that she has a seminar coming up, a workshop, and I kind of had to ask a few times. I said, is there a workbook included? She says, oh yeah. I said, is there study materials? You know, what's the biggest golden nugget about the workshop seminar? And she says, oh Wes, there's so many golden nuggets I don't even know where to begin.
In having these seminars and getting to know the chiropractors and allowing them to get to know us, we flesh out these issues, we address these issues, we talk about these issues, and it's a learning experience for us too. Through the years, we've listened to what chiropractors' concerns are, what their complaints are with other attorneys, and we try our very, very best to address those issues, to improve our performance, to see to it that we can help the chiropractor improve their performance. So bottom line, they get paid in decent amounts and in as short a period of time as possible. You know, there's a lot of factors to consider when evaluating an auto accident claim. We do it as attorneys, and what we often see is while chiropractors are very good at being chiropractors, they may be missing a thing or two from time to time when it comes to evaluating whether or not they should extend their treatment on the cuff or not. And the takeaway message we always leave at the end of these seminars with all the chiropractors is, listen, we're available. You've got our phone numbers. We're not hiding behind assistants and secretaries and paralegals. Call us. We'll talk to you. If you got a question about a case, about a patient who just presented himself or herself to your office and you want to know if you should undertake that treatment, we will ask you at that moment on the phone some important, serious, focused questions. And based on your answers, we'll give you some quick, accurate advice. Should you do this work for this person? Do you have a reasonable chance of getting paid? Or perhaps it's something you want to pass on, or maybe you'll make some other arrangement. Maybe the people will pay you out of pocket because it doesn't sound like there's a good shot at getting an insurer to pay. And we're happy to do that, and we do it, and it's, I think, valuable for chiropractors. There's a lot of issues involved. How long it's been since the accident, how much damage to the vehicle, whose fault is the accident, of course, who hit who, but not limited to who hit who, and are there any passengers in the car? Were there other people available to be clients and patients who haven't shown up yet? These are some of the things we want to know about. We want to know about the police report. We want to know about the status of your own patient's insurance, what kind of benefits they have. So it becomes important for a chiropractor to begin to evaluate a case the same way an attorney does, because those are the standards that the insurer on the other side of the case is going to utilize in determining whether or not that chiropractor should be paid and what amount of money should be paid.